Hi there, this is another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today another vendor, the Lyare company, sent me a product. So this is a free product and a paid review. Let's get to it. So let's do the unboxing. This is a 6-in-1 USB-C hub. So interesting. So let's just open it up and see what's inside, shall we? First thing off, we got instructions. Instructions are important. On a hub, probably not that important, but so it looks quality made. Feels weighty, which is nice. So you have a C connection, USB-C connection on this side, and then you have all of your connections here. You have a mini card for a photo card here. You have standard USB connections here, and a UDMI connection here also, and a C connection here also. So it is a 6-way splitter basically, and you can put that into your computer and then have all of these items plugged in. You could be charging your phone. You could hook this up to a computer or another monitor or several monitors if you wanted to do that. So tell you what, let's see if we can't hook this up to a monitor so we can at least show one of the functions here. Okay, as you can see, I've got my computer on here, and we have the Lyare splitter here, and I am charging a set of headphones right here, and you can see that the blue light is flashing right there. We're charging the flashing, and then if we look up here, I've got my UDMI cord cable hooked up, and up here on my TV, we've got it hooked up there too. So looky there. Very nice. You ought to get one of these right away.